A maternal profile ensures personalized, continuous care during pregnancy, identifying risks and improving health outcomes for both mother and child. To create maternal profile, follow these steps. Navigate to Maternity module and select Maternity as shown. In the newly opened window, click on Create Maternal Profile from Queue. In the subsequent window, My Room option displays all patient in the room where you're located, while All option shows all patients who have been queued to other rooms. Select the patient that you would wish from the drop-down and enter the last menstrual period in the field provided. A system will automatically calculate the expected delivery date. Select the pregnancy status as either pending or delivered. Recording gravida and parity helps assess pregnancy risks and guide appropriate prenatal and delivery care. Enter the gravida and parity in the fields provided. Choose the marital status from the drop-down list and manually fill in the patient's education level and status. Finally, click on Create to save the maternal profile.